Good morning, dolls. So today's video is likely going live during Prime Day. So I just wanted to talk to you about a couple of very supportive finds I found on Amazon. My play sister put me on to this greens and probiotics powder. It comes in a scoop and you put it in 8 ounces of water. I just put this together and you just shake it up. It tastes so good. It says literally on the packaging, it says like, you've never had greens this delicious. They didn't lie. The greens are delicious. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this green drink and I hope you enjoy my balcony renovation project, part 1. Good morning, dolls. I am back from my family reunion. It's gonna take me some time to go through all of the photos and videos that I took during that trip. So while I'm working on that, I wanted to take you through getting my balcony together. One of you dolls asked for a tour of my balcony on Instagram and I said, I'll give you one soon. A big part of that was because my balcony isn't quite ready yet. I moved in here and it's a bigger balcony than I had before. So I've been trying to think through what to do with it. I'm doing this myself, but I consider it a collaborative project. So I just want to say thank you to a few people who helped me out. Number one, David Quarles. David Quarles gave me kind of the vision when he was staying with me on like how to move forward with decorating my balcony. And David also was my date and introduction to the apartment therapy cool small event that happened a few weeks ago. David introduced me to a lot of amazing people like Alvin Wayne, and Alvin Wayne decorated for his small cool space. He was one of the designers, and Alvin Wayne, his small cool space was a balcony. And so the floor I'm using is from the design that Alvin Wayne did. So if it wasn't for David and for Alvin and their keen eye on design, I wouldn't have even known where to start. So thank you guys so much for your help. And I can't wait to have you both over for a cute little party on the balcony when everyone's in town. I think that's it. I'm gonna try to get all this done. I'm gonna be bringing my balcony furniture inside the apartment and I'm gonna start on the floors. So I think that's all you need to know. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to tell you. Oh, I don't have on any makeup today. This is one of my favorite parts of the summertime is not wearing makeup. So, pretty clean skin today. My eyebrows and my nails need to be done, but I just got back from the reunion. I'm gonna be working. And I'm wearing a lipstick. This is Chanel, the hydrating lipstick that I'm obsessed with. It's all I ever wear. I even wear it to bed. This color is called Suzanne. So that's what I'm wearing there. I'll put the links to the lippy down below. And I figured I'd also give you a quick outfit of the day. This is what I like to wear when I'm doing like yard work. And of course, living in Brooklyn, yard work is like, doing work on the balcony, doing my flower arranging, potting plants, things like that. This is what I usually wear for that. It's a pair of Dickies overalls, just traditional ones. I got these at a hardware store in Fresno, in my hometown actually, but I'll see if I can find a link. And here's the lipstick I was talking about. It's the Coco Rouge, and I'll link that down below. So I'm doing that. Oh, and I'm wearing my Nike summer sneakers. So yes, here's the whole outfit. I don't know if you can see from this far away, but I could hang a hammer in here if I want to. Anyway, let's get to work. I could talk about fashion all day, but let's get to work. Life for me ain't been no crystal stair, so I love thinking of this project as a way to just honor the blessings that God has given me, enjoying this view and taking in my Brooklyn space. I'm so grateful. Snapping deck tiles or interlocking deck tiles are a great do-it-yourself product that's perfect for renters and homeowners. After looking at a few patterns and shades, I decided to go with the eucalyptus wood in like a red brown. This flooring provides a classic, elegant look for outdoor decking projects, big and or small, and you'll be able to quickly build any unique outdoor living space by simply snapping the tiles together. My favorite part is that I was able to do all of my flooring without using nails, glue, or a hammer. And most importantly, these tiles are sustainable and reusable. You can just simply snap and unsnap the deck tiles on one floor and then re-snap them on another. So I was able to build my floor within a matter of hours in an afternoon and enjoy it right away. And my glue, my screws, my hammers, all that stuff stayed in my little toolbox where they belong. I'm not the best with these things, so this was a perfect project for me. These tiles are 100% eucalyptus, which means they're a very durable hardwood that's very dense. So it quickly repels water, and there's natural oils in there that combat and repel wood-eating insects. If you look at the other side of the tiles, you'll see plastic with screws inside. If you have any sort of grating, or like my balcony is cement, but if you have like planks or gaps in your floor that you're covering, each one of those screws holds weight. So it'll still give you the support that you need for these tiles to operate like a real wood floor. You are more than covered with these. Dolls, I'm so proud of myself that I was able to pull this off. I was able to measure my balcony, order exactly enough tiles to fit. I'm going to have someone come in and custom cut. You can see these little gaps where the kind of pillars of the balcony are just got in the way of my design. So I'm going to have someone come in and cut those custom, but I almost nailed it 100% right. What do you think, dolls? If you're interested in these floors, what I've done is I have put a blog post on my website called Brooklyn Balcony DIY Transformation. And I have put everything there. I put my outfit there, my overalls, I put my lipstick, and I put a link to these floors. If you see anything in this video that you like, please click on that blog post and you'll find all of the links there. All right, dolls, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my balcony transformation, the first part. Next up, we'll be getting some sustainable furniture in there, so be sure to stay tuned for the next balcony transformation update. It occurred to me that a lot of you dolls might have bad knees like I do. And so these are the pads that I used. You might be curious what you saw, when I was putting together the balcony. So as you probably know by now, I'm taking time while the CurvyCon is on hiatus to lean into one of my other creative passions, and I'm launching a body positive beauty brand called Coco by CC. So while supplies last, if you order a jar of doll butter and you put the code KNEEPAD in your coupon code, I'll send you a pair of these as a gift with purchase, just as a thank you for being a doll. Thanks for watching.